Today, I'm spilling the tea on something that might shock you. Most millionaires are not flashy. Forget what you see on Instagram. Real wealth doesn't scream, it whispers. We are diving into the 7 frugal habits of millionaires in Nigeria and America. Yes, they exist in both places. They've got one thing in common: they spend less than they earn. So whether you're earning 50,000 naira or $5,000 per month, these habits can help you keep this money in your pocket, grow your net worth, and build generational wealth. Let's jump right in. Hello, Wealth Fam, and welcome back to Wealth with Doris, where every penny counts. On this channel, we build wealth together and turn pocket change into power moves. If you're ready to grow your money in a smart way that will bring you closer to financial freedom, this channel is the right place for you. If you're a first-time viewer, please subscribe and don't forget to like and share. Thank you. So, habit number 1. They live below their means. Let's start with a truth bomb. Millionaires live on less than they make. Period. In Nigeria, I know folks making like 500,000 naira a month who live like they make 1 million naira and still borrow before the month ends. Meanwhile, there is someone earning 150,000 naira who is quietly saving and investing every month. In the US, studies shows most millionaires drive used cars and shop with discount coupons. In fact, one of the weirdest men in America, Warren Buffett, still lives in the same house he bought in the 1958. Uche in Lagos makes 200,000 naira per month. She downsized from a luxury apartment to a smaller one, cut her data subscription and started saving 50k monthly. 2 years later, she bought a plot of land. That's what living below your means looks like. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Do I want to look like I can afford it? Living below your means doesn't make you poor, it makes you smart and free. So my number 2 habit is they budget every naira or dollar. Frugal millionaires don't just hope their money will last, they plan it intentionally. Budgeting isn't punishment, it's empowerment. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. And no, you don't need fancy spreadsheets. A notebook, an app, or even the 50-30 rule can help you. That's 50% in your needs, 30 in your wants, 20 for your savings and debt repayment. I'll leave a link below for a video on the 50-30-20 rule. James in Abuja earns 300,000 per month. Before budgeting, he had nothing left at month end. After tracking his spending, he realized he was spending 25k monthly on takeouts. He now packs lunch and leaves that money and saves that money. In the US, self-made millionaires like Dave Ramsey recommend zero-based budgeting, where every dollar has a job before the month begins. Start by tracking your expenses for 1 month. You will be surprised at where the leaks are. Budgeting helps you control your money, not the other way around. So my habit number 3 is they avoid debt like a plague. Now, here is a spicy one: debt. Most self-made millionaires treat debt like pepper in their eyes. Unnecessary borrowing, that's a no. It's not talking about smart loans like a mortgage or business expansion. I'm talking about borrowing to impress or to survive short-term wants. Did you know most millionaires use cash or debit cards? They don't pile credit card debt or 05 loan apps. Let me give you a real-life example. Ada in Port Harcourt deleted all her loan apps and started a cash-only lifestyle. She created a sinking fund for school fees, and emergencies. Within 8 months, She was debt-free and sleeping better at night. In the US, frugal millionaires avoid consumer debt and pay off high-interest loans fast. Some use balance transfer strategy to cut down their interest burden. If you have debt, face it. Create a snowball or avalanche payoff plan and cut up those temptation cards. Debt keeps you working for your past. Avoid it if you want to move forward financially. My number 4 habit is they buy quality and not quantity. You know what's more expensive than buying something once? Buying it 5 times because it keeps breaking. Frugal millionaires understand this. They buy value and not volume. They would rather spend 50,000 naira on one solid pair of shoes that lasts 3 years than buy 10k knockoffs every 4 months. Long-term thinking saves money. Here is a real-life example. Wenga in Ibadan used to replace his 15,000 naira blender every year. He finally bought a 60,000 naira industrial grade one and it lasted 5 years with 0 issues. In the US, frugal millionaires use the cost per use formula. If it's an item they will use often, they invest in better or the best quality. Before buying, ask, will this last? Is it worth it? Is it worth the price over time? In a nutshell, spend smart means quality now, savings later. So number 5 habit is they cook more and eat out less. Let's be honest, eating out is convenient but expensive. Most frugal millionaires cook their meals at home, meal prep on weekends, and carry packed lunches. That doesn't mean they don't enjoy life. They just don't waste money on things they can do for themselves. Paula in Benin cut her weekly food budget from 20,000 to 8,000 just by meal prepping and cooking at home. She used the savings to invest in stocks. In the US, many frugal millionaires set a dining out limit each month and stick to it strictly. You start small, maybe 2 cooked meal dinners and 2 packed lunches per week. Watch your wallet and thank you later. So cooking saves your money and your health. Double win, right? So my number 6 habit is they invest consistently. Saving money is great, but growing it is the goal. Now, frugal millionaires invest regularly. No matter how small, they use tools like mutual funds, ETFs, real estate, business reinvestment. They understand compound interest in the 8th wonder of the world. Now, Chisomi Nanambra started investing 5,000 naira monthly into a money market fund. 4 years later, she used her returns to fund her master's degree. In America, many millionaires max out their retirement accounts and invest in index funds monthly, even during market turndown. Start with what you can. Even 2,000 naira a month into a dollar-based fund adds up. Always know that the earlier and more consistent you invest, the wealthier your future self becomes. Now, habit number 7 is they delay gratification. Finally, the golden habit: patience, discipline, delayed gratification. Frugal millionaires don't need instant upgrades or new gadgets every month. They wait, they save, and they plan. Zinabi Kaduna waited 2 years before buying her dream car. She paid in full, no loan, no stress. In the US, millionaires often save up for luxury cars, even if they can afford them immediately. So let me give you a tip. Create a 30-day rule. If you want something, wait 30 days before you buy it. If you still want it after the 30 days and can afford it, go ahead. Remember, wealth builds in silence. It rewards those who wait. Let's wrap it up, well, fam. Here are the 7 habits that we covered today. Live below your means. Number 2 is budget intentionally. Number 3 is avoid debt. Number 4 is buy quality and not quantity. My number 5 is cook more, eat out less. My number 5 is invest consistently. My number 6 is delay gratification. So these habits aren't just about money, they are about mindset. Which of these habits are you already practicing? Which one will you start today? Drop it in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe to join the word farm, a tribe building smart wealth from the ground up. Share this with someone trying to live rich without going broke. This is Wealth with Doris signing off. Until next time, spend wise, grow strong, and stay wealthy. Bye, Wealth Farm.